Just realized I didn't do any video of our new kittens. This would be Houdini, the brother. Baby, what's your pretty face? Come here. Can I pick you up? There. It's a gray tiger. Come here. Oop. And here we have Coot, his sister. Hi. I didn't get to meet you before. This is tricky. Hey, sweetie. Hi. I can't even tell what I'm videoing. He's out. Tried to get a good picture of a black cat inside the... There. Hey, sweetie. At least we won't get you mixed up with Jag right now because he's taking a little break from the store. Hi.